Embark on a journey beyond grand gestures and delve into the intricate tapestry of everyday moments that weave the fabric of enduring love. In this exploration, we'll uncover the beauty of simplicity, the power of connection, and the transformative potential of small acts of kindness. Join me as we navigate the terrain of relationships, guided by the Danish concept of height and the Greek notion of eisthmelos, discovering how these ancient philosophies breathe life into modern-day romance. Welcome to a world where love thrives in the ordinary, and every moment becomes an opportunity for shared growth and joy. 1. Show your own feelings with joy and enthusiasm. Infuse your expressions with an effervescent spirit, radiating joy and enthusiasm that reflects your genuine feelings. Tailor your approach to resonate with their unique personality and desires, embracing the diverse array of options at your disposal. Whether it's serenading them with a heartfelt song, capturing your emotions in a beautifully crafted poem, sketching a whimsical illustration to bring smiles, assembling a collage of shared memories sourced from magazines, newspapers, and online platforms, sharing a witty joke that resonates with your shared humor, whipping up a delectable recipe that tantalizes both your taste buds, or pouring your heart out onto paper in a handwritten letter that articulates the depth of your appreciation and love. Each gesture becomes a testament to the bond you share. Let your creativity flow boundlessly as you explore these avenues, infusing each act with the warmth and sincerity of your affection. Through these expressions of love and appreciation, you illuminate the significance of their presence in your life, forging connections that endure through the ebbs and flows of time. 2. Elicit their ideas and talk about their hopes. Encourage their input and delve into their aspirations. Begin by inquiring about their preferences for celebrating Valentine's Day, respecting their wishes if they opt out, then explore alternative options with sensitivity to timing. Initiate discussions about potential enhancements to your connection or relationship, collaborating on strategies for improvement. Solicit brief descriptions of specific behaviors they desire you to adjust, understanding their significance. Together, brainstorm enjoyable activities for ongoing shared amusement, focusing on manageable examples. Identify communication patterns that, if modified, could fortify your bond, fostering open dialogue and mutual understanding. 3. Avoid the trap of dramatic, singular action. Avoid fixating on grand gestures. Recognize that the suggested small choices are merely components of a sturdy foundation essential for nurturing a healthy, enduring relationship, irrespective of its stage or dynamics. Embrace the beauty of daily routines, acknowledging their potential for growth and mutual enrichment. Consider the concept of hygge, encapsulating the essence of connection, coziness, and fellowship, fostering joy and simplicity and meaningful communication. Cultivate a nurturing atmosphere that underscores your appreciation for the person, regardless of the relationship's duration. This approach transcends various contexts, serving as a valuable investment in stability and mutual fulfillment. Patience and creativity further enhance this bond, while injecting thoughtful humor injects vitality. Reflect on the Greek term eisthmelos, likening love to breathing into one another, symbolizing the mutual sustenance and empowerment shared not just on Valentine's Day, but throughout the journey of love.